particle of mass m. Let this be particle of mass m. It's a stationary particle of capital mass capital M. Let this be particle with mass capital M. So with the particle of mass m stops just after the collision, what is the coefficient of restitution? So after the collision, let this be the situation m, and this is capital M. So we have v equals to 0, v1 is equal to some v, and let this be v1 dash and this be v2 dash. We know v1 dash is equal to 0. So from conservation of linear momentum we can write m times v equals to capital M times v2 dash. So this is by conservation of linear momentum, and E is equals to v2 dash by v, so which is equals to capital M by small m by capital M. So coefficient of restitution E is equals to small m by capital M. So we will get this from this equation. Substituting 1 into, we get coefficient of restitution as small m by capital M.